Most fruiting plants have one fatal weakness. Take away steady water, and they begin dropping fruit, shedding leaves, and losing strength fast. In real gardens, especially in hot climates, that is exactly where most fruit growers start getting disappointed. They plant something beautiful, then watch it struggle the moment conditions stop being ideal. But the 6 plants in this video are different. These are fruiting plants that can handle heat, dry spells, poor soil, and a lot less care than most gardeners expect. They are not delicate, and they are not built for perfect conditions. They are the kinds of plants that keep going when other fruit crops begin giving up. If you have ever looked at a hot, dry yard and thought growing fruit there would be too difficult, this video may completely change the way you think, because there are fruiting plants that were made for exactly those kinds of spaces. Plants that do not demand endless water, rich, pampered soil, or constant attention. And once you know them, you start seeing opportunity where most people only see a difficult climate. And before we go any further, subscribe to the channel right now so you do not lose it. If you care about smart gardening, resilient fruit plants, unusual crops, and realistic growing ideas, this channel was made for you. We talk about plants that actually work, not plants that only look good in perfect conditions. And the next video may give you exactly the kind of planting idea you have been missing. We are counting these down from number 6 to number 1, and the plant in the number 1 position deserves that spot completely. But before we get there, the rest of this list matters too, because every one of these plants solves a different kind of problem. Some are better for long-term security, some for heavy harvests, and some for pure survival in places where other plants fail. Number 6. American persimmon. This is one of the most underrated fruiting plants for difficult conditions, because once it is established, it can handle heat, dry periods, and poor soil far better than many popular fruit crops. It does not behave like a fragile orchard tree that needs ideal treatment. It behaves like a plant that understands how to survive and keep going. And the fruit is not just edible in some technical sense. When American persimmon is fully ripe, it becomes soft, rich, deeply sweet, and surprisingly luxurious. People who try it too early often misunderstand the plant completely, but when it is perfectly ripe, the flavor changes into something warm, dense, and unforgettable. American persimmon is also a long-game plant. It may not be the fastest thing in the garden in its early years, but that is not really the point. The point is that over time, it becomes stronger, more reliable, and more valuable with less effort from you. These are often the plants that matter most in a truly resilient garden. Number 5. Mulberry. If you want a fruiting plant that gives a lot without asking for too much in return, mulberry is one of the strongest options on this list. It grows fast, handles heat well, and once established, it can produce heavily with far less stress than many other fruiting trees. That combination alone makes it extremely valuable. And that matters because many tough plants survive, but do not necessarily produce in a truly satisfying way. Mulberry is different. When it gets established and starts performing, it can give you an astonishing amount of fruit. It stops being just a hardy plant and starts feeling like a serious food-producing asset. The fruit itself is another reason this plant belongs here. Fresh mulberries are soft, sweet, dark, and deeply flavorful in a way that never really translates into grocery store fruit culture. They feel homemade, immediate, and alive. And when one plant gives you that kind of harvest without behaving like a diva, it earns real respect. Number 4. Prickly pear. This is one of the clearest examples of a plant that looks like it was designed to survive where everything else struggles. Heat, blazing sun, poor soil, long, dry periods. For prickly pear, those are not unusual conditions. That is just life. And that is exactly why it is such a smart plant for difficult climates. What makes prickly pear even more impressive is that it is not just surviving for the sake of surviving. It gives you real food. The fruits are edible, colorful, and useful, and the young pads are edible too. That means one planting can provide 2 kinds of harvest from a plant that asks for very little. There are not many fruiting plants that combine that level of toughness with that kind of practicality. And visually, prickly pear has a presence that instantly tells the viewer this plant plays by different rules. It is one of those species that makes a garden feel smarter the moment you include it. Not softer, not fussier, smarter. Number 3. Fig. If there is one fruiting plant that combines drought tolerance, heat resistance, and premium fruit quality, fig is one of the strongest candidates. Once it is established, it becomes surprisingly independent, and in many gardens, it actually performs best when people stop trying to overmanage it. That is part of what makes fig so interesting. It is not only that it survives heat, it is that it can do so while still producing fruit that feels genuinely luxurious. A ripe fig, straight from the branch, is soft, sweet, perfumed, and intensely satisfying in a way store fruit almost never is. So fig is not just a survival plant. It is a high-value eating experience from a plant that is much tougher than people assume. That combination is rare. And it is one of the reasons fig remains such a smart choice for hot gardens, where water, time, and patience all matter. Number 2. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is almost the symbol of a fruiting plant for hot, dry climates. It loves heat, handles strong sun, and once it is well-rooted, it does not need endless water to keep performing. It is one of those plants that feels completely at home in the very conditions that make other fruit growers nervous. What makes pomegranate especially powerful in this kind of list is that it combines toughness with recognition. Some hardy fruiting plants are very niche. Pomegranate is not. People know it, value it, associate it with health and quality, and instantly understand that it matters. And visually, the plant gives you a lot too. The flowers are vivid, the fruit is beautiful, and the whole plant carries an almost ancient dignity in the garden. It feels useful, ornamental, and productive all at once. That is exactly the kind of combination that makes a plant worth real space in a difficult climate garden. Number 1. Jujube. And if there is one plant on this list that completely deserves the top position, it is this one. Jujube handles heat, drought, poor soil, and difficult conditions with a level of toughness that most fruiting plants simply do not have. It is the kind of plant that makes you rethink what a fruit crop can actually survive. But the best part is that Jujube does not give you some disappointing little survival harvest. It gives you real fruit. Fruit you can eat fresh. Fruit you can dry. Fruit that feels useful and genuinely worth growing. That matters, because toughness is not enough by itself. The plant also has to give you something meaningful back. That is what makes Jujube such a powerful final choice. It asks for very little, keeps going through hard conditions, and still rewards you in a meaningful way year after year. It is not fragile, not dramatic, and not constantly demanding. It is exactly the kind of plant people should be thinking about more. And here is what all 6 of these plants have in common. They prove that growing fruit does not always have to mean constant watering, perfect soil, and endless maintenance. Sometimes the smartest choice is not the most delicate plant, but the one that matches your real climate, your real soil, and your real life. That is where practical gardening begins. If I were starting from zero in a hot or dry climate, these are exactly the kinds of fruiting plants I would be looking at first. Jujube, pomegranate, fig, prickly pear, mulberry, and American persimmon are not just edible plants. They are strategic plants. They save water, reduce stress, and give you a better chance of success in the kinds of conditions that make other fruit plants fail. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments which of these 6 plants you would grow first. Because the best garden decisions are not always the most obvious ones. Sometimes they are the ones that ask less, survive more, and keep rewarding you long after other plants would have failed. And those are exactly the plants worth knowing.